Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install C# programming language on Windows 11 PC. To install C# programming language, we need to download .NET SDK on Windows 11. So, I open my browser and search .NET SDK and hit enter. This is the official website of .NET SDK. So I click on first link and then I click on download .NET SDK x64. So download is starting now. It take few seconds. So download is completed now. I minimize my browser, double click on setup file of SDK. This is the installation wizard of .NET SDK 9.0.102. So I click on install button. It asks me permission. I click on yes. So installation is starting. It take few seconds to few minutes. So SDK install is completed. By installing SDK, it also install the C# programming language. So now I check the version of the installed SDK. I right click on desktop blank space, then go to open in terminal and then type .NET space --info. This is the details of SDK, where install and what install, and then I check .NET version. To check it, type .NET space version and hit enter. This is .NET SDK version. So that was my video. In this video, I will show you how to install C# programming language on Windows 11 PC. So that was my video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you watch this video on Facebook page, please follow my Facebook page. And if you watch this video on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.